Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is an impromptu video because I received a package that I really did not think would come that quickly. Look at it. Look at the size of it. It could... Oh no, I just threw it on my toe. Look at all the things I do for you, for your entertainment only. I'm going to tackle this box, but whilst I do that, first of all, for those of you who haven't seen me, hi, my name is Carol, and I am ever so slightly obsessed by designer handbags, but also other designer goods. Oh my goodness, this is going to take me 3 days to open this. Can you tell that I'm super excited? Oh, I am so excited that I'm literally just I'm going at it like an animal. Look what I'm dealing with here. No one has ever sent me a decent blade to do unboxings. I'm still waiting for a company to send me something decent. Oh my God. It's been really closed shut. I got it open. Didn't break a nail, so great success. Okay, sorry, I am all over the place. For those of you who have never seen me, hi, my name is Carol and I love luxury handbags. This is going to be proof of that. But if you enjoy talks about designer goods and sometimes a little bit of life stuff, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Without further ado, I'm just going to go in. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. This is how all of the Louis Vuitton packages should come like. Hold on, I can't do it like this. You got to stay there, okay? Let's just try to control our excitement. Now, this is the receipt. This is the lady who helped me. And thank you for shopping at Louis, blah, 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 blah. This box is massive. This is absolutely massive. How on earth am I ever going to return this thing if I don't want that? Ooh. Is this what the cool kids do? I'm actually trying to figure out, there is no return shipping label, which is kind of weird because, I mean, I should be able to, okay, let's first see the item. I haven't even seen the item and I'm already thinking of returning it. It's just, I'm trying to cover all bases. Okay, oh my goodness, oh my God. So let's do that. Oh, okay. I'm gonna let it lie flat like that. And then, oh my goodness, the box completely collapses on itself. I don't think this is really meant to be like that. Anyways, this is the bag. And let's do the honors. Hold on, hold your horses. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my God, look at it. It is huge, but it is so cool. Oh my goodness. The denim is really, really, really cool. This is the prettiest denim. Wow, this is huge. Hold on, let me take my other NeverEVerfull. I want you to be able to see the actual color because it looks a little bit darker on camera. It is a little bit lighter in real life, but I want it if I can fit those two in frame. This is the normal NeverEVerfull, and this is the Never Ever NeverEVERfull. It's the NeverEVERfull. So there is space for a NeverEVERfull as well if you wanted to. And I'm going to test it out immediately. Wow, this is a huge bag. Oh my goodness, this is ginormous. This is gigantic. This is absolutely huge, but it is so comfortable. Oh my goodness, I have to say, part of me didn't want to like it as much as I do, but it is just gorgeous. Hold on, I'll show you the original as well. Here is a normal NeverEVERfull, and yeah, this is like a tiny, tiny, tiny bag. Hold on, there's lint. Anyways, this is like a tiny, tiny bag compared to that. And yet, because it's denim, I don't really feel that. Okay, it's really like a beach bag. It's like a summery beach bag. God, it looks so cool. Hold on a second. Let's look inside as well, because this one, well, I can see it comes with a luggage tag, and the pièce de résistance is the zipper. It has a very substantial zipper. It has a very cool zipper pull. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. It has a zipper. And stop. Look at this one. Look at that. This is gorgeous. So, wow. Wow, wow. This denim is something else. This is really, really nice denim. And this leather, oh. So this is the pouch that it comes in. And it has, I don't know if you can see that, but it has really substantial hardware as well. Like you can see with this collection, they have done their thing. Well, inside it's just one large compartment as opposed to the normal pouches that have like a little slip pocket. Oh my God, I am so gonna keep this. This is such an amazing thing. I mean, also you go on holiday, you take that with you for dinner or whatnot. I usually don't use these pouches, but like this one looks so good. I specifically put some blue jeans on and it looks so nice. I'm completely in resort attire because I've got my Miu Miu sandals on, and I'm so ready for summer. Gosh, I am so excited. So on the inside, at the bottom, you have that pouch, which I just threw in there. And then you have this beautiful, beautiful sticker there. It's been sewn on. Louis Vuitton with a palm tree, and then exterior is denim, inside is cotton, and then you have vachette. My goodness, this is an amazing bag. This, like, I can totally see this being your like carry-all when you go on trips. Like it is huge, but because it's denim, like you can easily just like make it compact. And how did the guy like carry it like this in a campaign? Like, I'm obviously not going to carry it like this, but hey, listen, I could easily put my other NeverEVERfull inside. This is crazy. Look at it. I mean, look at it. This is a NeverEVERfull within a NeverEVERfull, and I could put my other NeverEVERfull in there as well. And this NeverEVERfull, by the way, has already stuffing in. Oh, the zipper is really smooth, by the way. I'm so sorry about the angle. I did not think this through. This is an impromptu video, but oh my God. Oh, wow. This is going to the beach in style. Don't get me wrong, you don't need a designer bag to go to the beach, but this is a really lovely denim. I cannot say to you, I cannot put into words how lovely this denim actually is. Let me just stop with the farce, and I will take the other NeverEVERfull out of the bag. Oh my goodness, this is going to be my pride and joy. And am I afraid of stains because this is fabric, this is denim? No, I'm not, because if it's any good quality denim, I will be able to lift any stains that come on there. I've got experience in textile cleaning, so I will be able to keep this clean. And obviously the one thing that I like about denim is that it does get a certain patina as well after some time. Hoping, of course, that the denim is somewhat like resistant. I don't know. I'm just going to enjoy this. Blue is a color that I used to be obsessed with a lot in the past. And it just, there's nothing better than like blue denim in summer. And this would also look really nice with khaki colors and all that. Main thing that I love about this, like the main selling point, if it had been different, I would have not purchased this, is the fact that you do not have logo all over the place. You have this here, Marque Louis Vuitton déposé. You have this just here, and exactly the same on this side. So only somebody who knows about NeverEVERfulls is going to think it's a NeverEVERfull. Some people are probably going to think that this is a fake, which is fine. I don't carry this for other people. I just get so much joy out of handbags, just myself. And the fact that it has a zipper, guys, oh my goodness, this is so amazing. If they did this in the monogram canvas, I would not purchase it, but I might purchase it in the damier ebene, because this is the only print that I don't have anymore. I only have it in small letter good. And it's not about like, I need to own every single print. It's not about that, because I don't have any damier azur anymore either. But I would like to have the good old damier ebene. And I love the fact that Pharrell Williams used the print of back in the days and modernized it, because this is basically the damier ebene print, but just magnified. And I love that kind of things. Oh, it's gorgeous. Could they have put on feet under here? They could have. But I think it looks best just like denim on denim on denim. And I love the shoulder drop. Like this is, they should do this in so many variations, like the NeverEVERfull. This is, if they're going to keep that size, this is going to become people's favorite travel bag for sure. But yeah. Oh, it smells so good. It smells really, really good. I am so happy because I don't impulse buy like this. I don't usually go and do that. I've done that. I've done that only once before with like a special collection. It's when the On The Go tote came out that I just like added to cart. And when I saw this one, like this is a bag I'm gonna get so much use out of, and especially in the summertime. And I cannot wait to wear that. It's humongous, I know, but it is so pretty. It's so pretty. I really love it. Anyways, this was my very chaotic unboxing. I don't know how it turned out, but it turned out how it turned out. I was not supposed to film today, so my apologies if it was all over the place, but I hope you still enjoyed. If you did, consider subscribing and maybe liking this video. This helps me out a lot. And stay tuned, because I'm definitely going to show you how this bag rotates in my collection, and how I will style it with some outfits, and how I'm going to go to the beach. Let's go get away. So yeah, on that note, on that Nicki Minaj note, thank you so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you again next time. Bye.